Be ready, start. Thereafter, the speaker fixed for examination cross examination of Sri Kuldeep Bishnoi MLA and his witness, and on the said date Sri Bishnoi's evidence was tendered and recorded. However, his cross examination could not be completed, and the next date for further cross examination of Sri Kuldeep Bishnoi was fixed for 6th June 2011. In between, on 2nd June 2011, the matter came up before the division bench of the High Court when directions were given for hearing of the petitions at least every week, that is, at least 4 times in a month. However, on account of the sudden demise of Chaudhry Bhajan Lal MP and former Chief Minister of Haryana, and also the father of Sri Kuldeep Bishnoi, the disqualification petitions were adjourned by the Speaker. On 21st June 2011, the Speaker fixed all disqualification petitions for hearing and for further cross-examination of Sri Kuldeep Bishnoi. The cross-examination of Sri Kuldeep Bishnoi was concluded before the Speaker, and 5th August 2011 was fixed for recording the evidence of the MLAs on 18th July 2011. Letters Patent Appeal number 366 of 2011 and other connected matters were listed before the division bench of the High Court. The said appeal was heard on 3 consecutive days when judgment was reserved. Para. In the meantime, proceedings before the Speaker continued, and since the same were not being concluded in terms of the assurance given, the division bench of the High Court directed the Speaker to file an affidavit on or before 11th November 2011. Finally, being dissatisfied with the progress of the pending disqualification petitions before the Speaker, the division bench took up the letters patent appeals on 2nd December 2011, when directions were given for production of the entire records of the matter pending before the Speaker. On 7th December 2011, the relevant records of the proceedings before the Speaker were submitted to the High Court, which adjourned the matter for further consideration. However, as alleged on behalf of the appellants, the bench was not constituted on 19th December 2011, and without any further hearing or giving an opportunity to the Speaker's counsel to make submissions on the status report, the High Court proceeded to pronounce its judgment on the latter patent appeals. By its judgment, which has been impugned in these proceedings, the division bench upheld the directions of the learned single judge. Also, stop.